Morning people, it's Chef Zeddy. I'll be doing my first video this morning of me preparing a simple breakfast dish. We all know how to fry dumpling and steam vegetable, but you're going to learn how to do it Chef Zeddy's way. Yes, so this is what I'll be using to do the steamed vegetable. I'm only using this amount because I am only doing it for myself. Okay, so wash your vegetables before steaming it, before cutting them up. Add a bit of salt to the water to kill germs. Yeah, so after this you can just simply rinse them off. Yeah, so this is where I'm at. Cut the cabbage, the sweet pepper, tomato, scallion, thyme, onion, pepper, carrot. Not really a carrot lover, that's why I don't use anymore in it. So yeah. So at first you're gonna saute the onions. Yep, and the scallion. Yes, so for the fried dumpling part now, we're gonna use some flour, salt, sugar, vanilla, and baking powder. Yeah. Yes, so I use like 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of baking powder, and like 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna use like 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So this is my dough for the fried dumpling. When preparing fried dumpling for kids, you can spice it up a bit and do it in like any type of shapes, so you know that they'll be more like more interested in your food. Yeah, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna saute the onions. Maybe it's too much oil, but it can work. Then you're gonna add your cabbage. And your carrots also. Allow it to steam for a while before adding the rest of the ingredients. So when it's like this, you can add your salt and black pepper to it. I like to after adding the salt and black pepper now. Just gonna stir it up a bit, and then you're gonna add the rest of the ingredients to it. Sweet pepper, the onion, the scallion. Yeah, that's it now. Yes, after adding the rest of the ingredients now, we're going to allow this to steam properly at low temperature. You don't steam vegetables with high temperature. So we're gonna close this up now and allow it to steam. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and click the bell to get the notifications. Peace out.